Gavana wa kaunti ya Embu CICILY Mbarire ntukwerua ena rugoretie mbunge ithato ya kaunti ya Embu na arenyeletio muno kiriana kwagirithia ugima bwa mwiri burakuga na indi buthirite butebu imeria. Gavana Mbarire ni watimbaru ni MCA bambunge urita mwanike kuma Embu no twachio.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Embu niwe CICILY Mbarire ni uruguretie mbunge ya kathatu ya kaunti ino na gutariria ambunge kioneki giake gia kaunti ino varia arenda kugwatanira na ambunge aya niguo gikinyanire. Mbarire ni wikiririte makiria ugima wa mwiri varia arauga atonyire wathanire na kwithira thibitari cionthe itari na ndawa na indo ciingi cia urigiti na varia itanya riake ria mbere ni gucokia utungata mathibitari ngurani.
Hospitals and healthcare facilities have been non-functional and in deathbed, grossly unclean environment characterized by rotting mountains of garbage in all major towns, demotivated employees due to non-remittance of payroll, statutory and other third-party deductions amounting to over 500 million, to mention but a few of the gaping challenges.
Wauguo ni urathi na mbere kuruta mavitia thirikari iria iraikuo wathanire ya Gavana Martin Wambora ni undu wa gutiga mathire mengi matari marive na varia Mbarire evitite kurwa na ciiko cia ungumania undu umwe na gutigirira ugotini wa unganua uria kwagirire.
My administration assumed office against the backdrop of gross mismanagement of budgetary resources. This is evidenced by over 2.2 billion in unpaid bills as captured by the Assumption of Governance Committee report. I inherited a county with totally depleted financial and budgetary resources and an almost zero delivery of essential services to the people despite a bloated workforce.
Ni urarikiriria na kuria ambunge aya kuvitukia mbia iria irendekana mirandire ngurani ya uthii wa nambere na makiria ugima wa mwiri niguo ekari a miena ngurani magunike.
I wish to express our intention to bring this assembly in the next couple of days a fairly reasoned emergency budget requirement for health that is intended to restore healthcare services in our healthcare facilities. I will therefore be seeking indulgence to make this happen because we have made a deliberate decision to prioritize healthcare and we intend to defer non-emergent development projects in this financial year until the critical investment in healthcare is achieved.
Nao ambunge awandi ngurani marai na mawoni mama iguru ria rwario ruru rwa Gavana Mbarire.
I need to a serious consultation, especially Maundutama health. We need to know exactly birio yokete guku tamu ya mbere ya katamu ya kairi nene ya kathatu. Turenda stakeholders meeting.
Agenda yake ni regwika very clear makiria mwena wa health ni watwariria uria tukurivive mathibitari metu nundu marai maku ninake na nuria twira uvoro wa kungania mbia cietu gukoretwe mbia ikionganio igitonye gwa mifuko ri andu
ni twakena tondu maundu monthe agweta vandu vau ni maundu maravutia mwananchi na we are looking forward kumu support gwika maundu monthe arauga especially mwena wa thibitari no uga uvoro wa thibitari iria cionthe ikoretwe na thina Ngwe seriously niguo thina ure munene wi Embu County as at now.
Ni ivoya ria Gavana CICILY Mbarire kuri mbunge ino ya kaunti ya Embu ati ni magukorwa makirutithania wira vamwe ni undu wa uthii wa nambere wa kaunti ya Embu. Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma mbunge ya kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
No ne kumera kinda tuyorita mwaniki omushiri tukida tukekera katanta kirende ruchete tukida ringeti kyotanaira wona chekinya thithato nsuno ntubondeto chaweru thithato mona to mathiria ni sindikaruda ngeto Phineas Imana.